How to install Gmail app on laptop or PC. Did you know you can use Gmail on your laptop or PC just like a regular installed app, with its own window, taskbar icon, and desktop notifications? Completely for free. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to install Gmail as an app on your Windows or Mac computer in 2026. Here is one important thing to know up front. As of 2026, Google does not offer an official standalone Gmail desktop app for Windows or Mac through any app store or as a downloadable installer. If you see a Gmail app in the Microsoft Store from an unknown publisher, be careful as many of these are unofficial and may show ads or collect your data. The correct and safest method is to install Gmail as a progressive web app using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and I am going to show you both methods right now. Method 1. Install Gmail using Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome on your laptop or PC and go to gmail.com. Sign in to your Google account if you are not already logged in. Once your inbox loads, click the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of Chrome. Hover over Cast, Save, and Share, then click Install Page as App. A small dialog box will appear asking you to name the app. Type Gmail or whatever name you prefer and click Install. A Gmail window will instantly open on its own, separate from your browser tabs, and a Gmail shortcut will be added to your desktop and your Start menu. You can now open Gmail anytime just like a regular app by double-clicking the desktop icon or searching for it in your Start menu. Method 2. Install Gmail using Microsoft Edge. Open Microsoft Edge and go to gmail.com. Sign in to your account. Once your inbox loads, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Edge. Click Apps and then select Install this site as an app. Name the app Gmail and click Install. Edge will ask you if you want to pin it to the taskbar, Start menu, or desktop. Select whichever options you prefer and click Allow. Your Gmail app is now installed and ready to use. Once installed using either method, Gmail works exactly like a desktop app. You can open it from your taskbar, receive desktop notifications for new emails, and use all Gmail features including labels, search, Google Chat, and Google Meet. All inside its own clean window without any browser tabs visible. Now for Mac users, the process is nearly identical. Open Chrome or Edge, go to gmail.com, click the menu, and select Install Page as App in Chrome or install this site as an app in Edge. The Gmail app will be added to your Mac Applications folder and your dock. Now here is your pro tip. After installing Gmail as an app, go into Gmail settings by clicking the gear icon, then see All Settings, then General, and turn on Desktop Notifications. This makes sure you get a pop-up alert every time a new email arrives, even when the Gmail window is minimized, so you never miss an important message while you are working. So to recap, open Chrome or Edge, go to gmail.com, click the menu, select Install as App, name it, click Install. And you now have Gmail running as a desktop app on your laptop or PC in under 2 minutes. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides. And drop a comment below telling me whether you used Chrome or Edge to install it. See you in the next one.